Layers of green and yellow zucchini paired with vine-ripened tomatoes, mozzarella, fresh herbs, and garlic Parmesan breadcrumbs. Move over, eggplant. There's a new veggie dish in town. Our big flavored baked zucchini casserole. You're gonna feel like you won the lottery when you take your very first bite of this delicious zucchini casserole. It is very delicious, but it also walks a fine line, especially in late summer, fall, and winter months when you need an exceptionally delicious side dish. This is it. Another thing, might as well serve it as a main course to all your vegetarians. They are going to love it. Watch how easy it is to make. Prep work. We're preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, also taking a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. We're greasing it with butter or oil, set it to the side. Next comes the ingredient prep steps. I'm just going to suggest you put on some tunes, maybe grab a glass of a really fine white wine. You're going to need 2 pounds of zucchini for the recipe. I'm using both green and yellow, plus I have 3 big juicy vine-ripened tomatoes. We're going to give those veggies a rinse. Then we're going to slice them, Goldilocks style. Not too big, not too small. Try to slice the tomatoes the same thickness as the zucchini. This should do the trick. Next, some fresh herbs. About 20 basil leaves, thinly sliced chiffonade, it's about 2 tablespoons. Fresh thyme, chopped, about a tablespoon's worth. And then also some fresh Italian parsley, roughly chopped, also a tablespoon. Once the herbs are sliced and chopped, mix them together. You can set them to the side. One of the time savers in this recipe is the way we work with breadcrumbs. No dredging, egg, flouring like you do with eggplant parmesan. Instead, it's just about a quick mix of breadcrumbs. Stovetop, moderate heat, large skillet to temperature. We're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add 3 garlic cloves, they're finely minced. Hit the pan, cook for about a minute, then add 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. We're going to stir to combine, cook for 1 minute more to toast those garlicky crumbs. Off the heat, we season with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of dry oregano. We're going to stir to combine. You can set that breadcrumb mix to the side. Last thing before we assemble. Grab a liquid measure, 4 eggs. They are at room temperature. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of 35% cream. That's whipping cream. We're going to whisk thoroughly. You can set the egg mix to the side. And just like that, it's already time to assemble. You have your greased casserole dish. We're going to do a layer of the green zucchini on the bottom. Then we're going to add a layer of thinly sliced mozzarella cheese. You're going to need about 1 pound of sliced mozzarella for the recipe. That's 450 grams. Then we're going to add a layer of the tomato. Sprinkle with that mix of fresh herbs. Then do a sprinkle of the breadcrumb mix. You can do a drizzle of olive oil and a hit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. You're going to need about 1.5 cups of the Parm for the recipe. First layer is down. Now we're going to repeat. If you're using 2 different colors of zucchini, change it up. We're going to repeat the layering, this time with yellow zucchini, and then repeat, alternating the 2 different colors of zucchini. Let's end with mozzarella, crumbs, and parm. Our final step in this casserole recipe is to pour the egg mix over top. Then transfer to the oven. We're going to bake for 45 minutes or until the dish is bubbling and the top of the casserole is a rich golden brown color. Let it sit for 15 minutes before serving. We're going to cut into 12, then over to plates. You can top with more crumb, more Parmesan, and more fresh herbs. Perfect. So perfect, in fact, we just posted the full recipe at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a side dish is this sensational, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Make a sensational side that can also double as a vegetarian main, baked zucchini casserole. And digging in, 2 colors of zucchini with tomato and all that cheese and garlicky breadcrumbs. This is super delicious. Enjoy. So fantastic. Oh my gosh, this is so good.